Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another beautiful unboxing from Barielle. Welcome to the Barielle family of bloggers. Glad to have you aboard. Sincerely, Claudia and Jean, the Barielle team. Let's take everything out of the box. I wanted to let you guys know that Barielle has prepared a special discount code for all my followers. You can use it on November 17th and 18th and you will receive 35% off your purchase on Barielle.com. The discount code is Jennybf. These are all the products that they included, and the first thing that I want to do is to try one of the nail polishes, so I think I'm going to apply this one on my nails right now. I was looking for a base coat to apply before putting the polish on, and then I realized that one of the things they sent me is this nail rebuilding protein, which can be used as a base coat. It's for soft peeling nails, and it doesn't have formaldehyde. You can use it as a base coat and allow to dry before applying additional color and/or top coat. For best results, apply to clean, dry nails and allow to dry before applying polish or top coat. I applied it on my nails and I noticed that it has a really nice scent that I could continue to smell even after I had applied it and it had completely dried. Then I applied the blue polish, which is called Falling Star, and it is a gorgeous shade of blue with pretty little pink glitters inside. The glitter doesn't stick up over the polish, which is really nice, and it looks beautiful. I applied 2 coats on all the nails, and then I went ahead and top coated with this Icicle Ultra Shine top coat that they also included in the box. Insta dry and anti-chip, non-yellowing, 10 free promise, so it's free of 10 harmful ingredients. This is what the polish looks like on my nails. It is beautiful. I love the gorgeous shine that it has, and the sparkling glitter inside is perfect. The color is very opaque and goes on really smoothly. The next color I'm sharing is this beautiful burgundy red. This one is called Dancing Till Dawn, and it's a beautiful deep burgundy red. The next shade is another beautiful bright red. This one is called Vivacious, and this is what this one looks like. They're all looking like they're all really creamy, and here they are side by side so that you can get an idea of how different they are. I also want to compare it to Santini, which is that bright orange that I've been sharing, and this is what that one looks like. The last shade is this beautiful teal, and it looks like it has shimmer in it. This one is called Under the Sea. What a cute name. It's perfect. And this is what this color looks like. Wow, it's beautiful. I think it would look really pretty in combination with this one too. The last thing I'm sharing is the Barielle Total Foot Care Cream for calloused, chapped feet, and this is a travel size. If you saw my previous Barielle unboxing video, then you know that they sent me their foot care cream, but it was in a different tub, and this is a more convenient dispenser because you can put it in your purse or take it with you. Let me see what this one smells like. So this one also has a baby powder scent, and this is the one that they previously sent me. It's the same one, but it's in a different container. And this is how much I've used so far. It's really good. It's so thick and it stays really well on my feet. So now I have a small one so that I can take it with me if I need to. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of these Barielle products and first impressions. A big thank you to Barielle for sending me these products to review and share with you guys. Don't forget that I'll be sharing lots more pictures and manicures using these products on my Instagram at jennystone.21. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to follow me, as well as a link to Barielle's Instagram. And remember that you can use my discount code Jennybf on November 17th and 18th at Barielle.com to get 35% off your order. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!